Utter is functional English to improve incomes. So we use functional English to improve incomes and make some money out of it. My co-founder and me have worked together for the last 10 years. We've built one of India's or probably the world's first English learning app way back in 2009 on the carrier billing model. We had close to 4 million paid learners. So we've been working on this problem for the last 10 years or so. Prasad Ram Pram, who was the ex-CTO of Google, has just joined us. We have close to 20 million interactions of live chat conversations and chatbots. So essentially, he's come in to automate them into AI and ML formats. So essentially, this was a kind of problem that we tackled, that there are 1.7 billion learners globally. There are 500 million learners in India right from class 5. And yet, only 3 unicorns globally, not a single in India. And why does this happen? That a lot of English learning companies are set up, but they are unable to monetize for revenues. And what we realized was 3 things. One is learners want functional fluency very clearly, and they're willing to pay for it. Second is they want warm bodies. They want live tutors to actually help them resolve their doubts and practice. And third is they want everything at low cost. We have been able to crack these 3 issues. We have put them together into a solution for which our users pay us. So essentially, Utter is built on the messaging platform. It's a combination of chatbots and live tutors. The reason why we built it on messaging platform is because we believe that messaging is the only platform which allows seamless handover between machines and humans. So you do game-based, you do anything else, you can't do the seamless handover. So we essentially have built this on messaging, and there are features like translations, there's dictionary, there's speaking practice, and most importantly, if you go to a live tutor, the live tutor makes real-time corrections to what you write, what you speak inside the live tutor chat. And this is one of the key reasons why users tend to pay us. Utter is 80% machines, 20% humans, and focus on 100% impact. It's based on the blended learning model, and the reason why it is based on the blended learning model is because that's the model that makes money. So all the 3 unicorns globally are in the blended learning space. There's Open English, based out of Florida. There's iTutor Group and VIP Kids, which is based out of China. Our sales model focuses on B2C and B2B2C. B2C, obviously, we are looking at a user base of 18 to 35 years. We advertise through Google AdWords. B2B2C is the reason why we went on B2B2C is because there's a huge blue-collar market which we can't acquire through retail ads because they don't have payment gateways. So we have tied up with organizations which are into background checks of blue-collar workers. Our app is currently live with Accenture, Ola, Zomato, and Swiggy. These are customers where our app is being used to learn English as well as workplace skills in 8 Indian languages. We have signed up with Cambridge University Press. We've just started a pilot with Byju's. Again, we have signed up with Byju's. So the entire focus here is to go into markets where we really don't have the access as far as the paid customers are concerned. These 3 customers have a dedicated user base of 10 million learners. So our business metrics, 2.86 million registered users, 400K MAUs, 35K DAUs. We price our product between 190 and 499. Essentially, the 499 product has a better catalog. We are currently doing an annual revenue run rate of 2.25 crores. And 35% of our traffic is organic. So we've basically focused on ROI plus growth. So our signups are growing, our MAUs are growing. We have one of the highest growth rates. So if you see the dark blue line, we have the highest growth rate in the education category as per Google Analytics. We are closing on to ad spend plus operational cost plus ad spend. We are just closing on to that gap. And this is the most important slide. We have the second highest engagement as far as learner engagement is concerned. We are just below Duolingo. Our active learners are active on the app for about 6 hours a month. Our closest competitors who have much higher downloads have less than half the engagement that we have. We did an analysis of the competition. What we realized was we have compared here is Unacademy, Hello English, King's Learning, and Utter. We have one of the highest revenues, lowest spends, you have the best ROI, highest engagement, and we've just raised $1 million. So there are companies who've raised $90 million. There are companies who've raised $3.5 to $4 million. We've just raised $1 million, and we've been able to achieve these metrics. So essentially, once we raise funds, what we are looking at is three areas of focus. One is the pricing play. In the pricing play, we are looking at enlarging the catalog and increasing the price. So from $199, we intend to go to $999. So catalog-related innovations to improve the price. The product play is where we are focusing on, so we get a lot of users who want dedicated tutors and are willing to pay more. So we are looking at building employer certified courses and dedicated tutor model for $2,999 to $4,999. And we are looking at a platform play where we are looking at setting up Utter in global countries. We are already live in 3. We have piloted it. We've got excellent results. And we intend to launch ultimately a marketplace for tutors and learners. Our B2B2C strategy is simple. We have a 10 million dedicated user base. All we need is account managers to help ensure that more and more learners from these companies come onto our platform. So there's a clear product roadmap. Start with certified courses, start pilots in global markets. June 2020, working with PRAM, we want to build the AI and machine learning automations into the platform. September 2020, Utter Pro, dedicated tutor model. March 2021, we launch Utter Blue and Utter School, which is for blue collar and school market in the retail format. And finally, we want to move into the Utter voice assistant and Utter video bots. So we are looking at raising 5 million. We've already raised 8.5 crores. And 60% of those funds will go into marketing, 30% in staff, and 10% in tutors and content. We are looking at delivering 26 million installs, 500K paid users, and revenues of 30 crores. This is a combination of both B2C and B2B2C.